Hello everyone, and in today's video, let's take a look at Inkee Falcon Plus, which is the newest version of a 3-axis gimbal for action camera. And it's gonna stabilize your footage on a 3-axis, so no matter how you move your camera or shake it, it's gonna stay leveled, making your footage smooth and cinematic. Falcon Plus is the upgraded version that lets you use your GoPro with media mode and power up your camera for extended recording times. So inside of the package, we have Inkee Falcon Gimbal, a small plastic tripod, and a storage bag. We also have long and short screw, 2 Allen keys, and some spare screws. Now, if you take a closer look at the control panel, you can see that this gimbal offers 4 different modes in which it's gonna react differently to your actions. So the first mode by default is gonna be pan follow, where you can move your camera horizontally and all other axes gonna be locked. And if you press on the mode button again, you're gonna select HL mode, in which you can move the camera on a pan and tilt axis. So not only can move your camera to the side, but also move it up or down. And if you press on the mode button again, you're gonna enter FPV mode, in which all the axes are unlocked and you can freely move your camera in any direction you like with no restrictions. Now, if you lean the gimbal forward and double-click on the mode button, the camera gonna switch to portrait orientation, which gonna be perfect for recording your videos for social media. Now, if you double-click on the mode button again, you're gonna enter Inception Mode, where you can have unlimited 360 degrees rotation in both directions. This feature can be used with a regular video or even time warp. On the other side of the handle, there is a trigger button that has 3 main functions. If you press and hold it, the camera gonna keep its current position and all the other axes gonna be locked, no matter how you move the gimbal. When you double click on it, it's gonna reset and the camera gonna return to its original orientation. However, if you click on it 3 times, it's gonna quickly turn around facing you. So it's perfect if you want to vlog to the camera or quickly take a selfie. What's also cool about this gimbal is that you can wirelessly control your camera. This way, you can change between different modes, like video, photo, or time-lapse, and you can even start and stop the recording. But what's also cool about it is that you can power on your camera, so it's ready to shoot, and you can power it off, so you don't have to touch the camera to do so. And you can also use the joystick on the control panel for smooth and precise camera movements. On top of that, you can also wirelessly control the gimbal using the app on your phone and Wi-Fi, up to around 20 meters range from what I tested. How about the motor noise? Can you hear it in your video? Well, let's find out. Falcon Plus is compatible with a variety of action cameras, such as GoPro, DJI Action, Insta360, etc. It uses a traditional GoPro mount and a screw to hold the camera in place. However, you have to balance your gimbal with the camera when you use it for the first time, so that the camera stays leveled and not going anywhere to the sides, forward or backwards on its own. It's also compatible with GoPro Media Mode and Light Mode if you want to vlog to the camera. This gimbal has a non-removable battery that offers around 9 hours of battery life, which should be perfectly fine for the entire day. It also has a reverse charging function, so it can charge your camera and extend your battery life throughout the day if you have USB-C to USB-C cable, which is not included in the package. Now, at the very bottom, we have 1/4-inch screw hole, so you can attach the tripod that came with it. This way, it's gonna be easier to just put it on the ground and insert a camera or rebalance your gimbal. You can also mount it on a selfie stick if you need that extra reach and want to get closer to your object. The handle itself is a little bit short, so you can feel like you don't have enough room to hold on to. So you can use this tripod for a better grip. The overall build quality is quite good. The handle itself is plastic and the stabilizer is made up with aluminum alloy, so it's quite solid. I just wish that they provided us a better storage option than a soft pouch. I just don't think it's gonna be safe enough to travel with. My only problem with this gimbal is that it's quite hard to see the LED lights on a sunny day, so you can't tell which mode you're currently in. I also think that this gimbal needs to be used with basic in-camera stabilization for best results, as without it, your footage can still be a bit shaky even during a simple walk. So if you want to have the best cinematic results, just make sure that you use it with basic in-camera stabilization.
Okay guys, so this is what Inkee Falcon has to offer, and this accessory costs around $129, and you can get it either on Amazon or official Inkee website. So if you want to keep the horizon perfectly leveled at all times, especially in wide field of view, maybe you want to have more control over your camera movements so it's more smooth and cinematic. Perhaps you want to use it with ND filters, or simply you want to use your camera in low light. Then I think this accessory might be something for you. I'll be definitely comparing this gimbal with Hohem iSteady Pro 4. So in terms of overall design, features and stabilization, if there's anything you would like to know, please don't hesitate and simply ask. Alright guys, so for today's video, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up or even subscribe. This way you're gonna help me grow this channel even further and reach more people. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching once again and see you guys in the next one.